guys, do you know how to swim? No? I will teach you. I'm a teacher and marunong ako mag-float in the back. Pag nalunod ikaw, don't worry. Calm down. Just do this. That's how it flows. Kamay mo. This. Straight. Put your head just like this. And put your feet up. And calm down. That's how I did it. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye guys. See you to the next video. Like and subscribe. Huh? By the way, my name is Sylvia. And oh, hello. You want to teach how to swim? Yeah? Okay. I will teach you how to swim. Pag nalunod ikaw, calm down. And watch me. I can float. Hello guys. Do you want to teach how to swim? My name is Sylvia, by the way.
Doon po sa gitna.
And I will teach you how to swim.
Dito po kayo naman.
Pag nalunod ikaw,
Gano'n kalalim? Teka lang. Nanay ah. Teka lang. Ay, mababaw pa dito lang.
Hindi po ako hindi po dito lang ako yung bakla. Tingnan lang ko nga kung gaano ka ba kalalim dito. Amutin ko. Pero masarap ang tubig bakla. Dito lang sa gilid. Sa loob. Ayan to. Ha? Ay, masarap. Init ako. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Follow for more for my next video. Bye-bye!
Gawin kita intro.
Ate, flex mo nga siya dun. Ayun ka, dali. Xavier, stay put ha. Ate will flex you. Sige ate, tayo ka lang. Yan.
Dapat pala may salbabida.
Flex mo na.
Dito mabato na.
Para magtugtog, tutugtog na lang yan. I-edit ko pa yun.
Pero picture pa yun ngayon. Ba? Pero picture pa sila.